Welcome. This video is about helping you with your website speed. Website speed means how fast your pages load. The faster that your pages load, the better. Speed is not only important, it is imperative. All your hard work is not going to pay off if your pages load slowly. If your visitors have to wait for your pages to load, they are not going to wait, they are going to leave. So fast loading pages is a must. In this video I will be sharing a free tool from Google that will not only help you with determining if your pages are loading quickly, the tool will also help you to pinpoint exactly what is slowing things down, and the steps you need to take, in order to fix those things. I will also be sharing a tool to help you with generating what are called meta tags. The tool is free and it does all the work. Many people think this is difficult, and that they need certain skills to do this. Fortunately, the free tools make this easy. The tool that you can use to test your speed is called PageSpeed Insights. It is free, it is from Google, it is pretty amazing, and most importantly, it will guide us step by step. The tool does even more, to help us with our web pages, as you are about to see. You will find a link to PageSpeed Insights in the description. When you visit the site, type in your URL and hit Analyze. The software will give you an analysis for mobile and also an analysis for desktop. What you want is to score in the green. As you can see, we are in the green, which is a score of 90 or better on performance, which is speed, also accessibility, and best practices. I am almost happy to see that we are not in the green on SEO. Why? Because you can see how Google is going to help us to bring up our score. Let's scroll down to SEO. Google is telling us exactly what is lowering our score. Every issue that needs our attention will have a red triangle. All we need to do is to click on the box with a red triangle and follow the directions. For example, Google is not detecting a viewport tag in our meta section. A viewport tag will properly size our page to the device that our visitor is using. When there is no viewport tag, or, in our case, a tag that Google is not detecting, it tells Google and the other search engines that our page is not mobile friendly, and that is bad. As I mentioned, there is a viewport tag, but when Google is not detecting it, it is as if there were no tag. So what Mr. P did was to copy the viewport tag that Google suggests, and then paste Google's suggested tag over the tag that is not working. After pasting Google's tag into our meta section, look what happens. We are in the green. Words such as a viewport tag may seem intimidating, but all we did was to follow the steps that Google provided, and the fix was literally as easy as copying and pasting. You can do this, and, as you can see, Google makes it easy. You can also perform this analysis if you have a Chrome browser, without having to go to Google's site. PageSpeed Insights. Click on the three dots on the right. On the drop-down, click on More Tools, then click on Developer Tools, and then click on Lighthouse. Now click on Analyze Page Load and you will get the same analysis. If you need help with filling on your meta section, you will find a link to free meta tag generator in the description. Go to the free meta tag generator site, fill in the details, hit the button at the bottom, generate meta tags. The software will do the work. Copy your meta tags into the meta section of your web page. To access your meta section, go to your file manager, right-click on the page that you want to access, click on HTML edit, click on edit, your page will appear, click on source, and insert your tags between head and head. What you are seeing is quite easy and fast. The first time that you do this, may I suggest that you take your time. By going slow, your fixes will work the very first time. If you like this video, if you are finding value in this video, please give a big thumbs up. Do that right now. Thank you. If this kind of content is of interest to you, I invite you to join the channel so that Mr. P can let you know whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching. Consider watching this video next.